If you have a Galaxy Watch 9 or Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, you probably already know that you can control music from your wrist. But Spotify on these watches can do much more than just control the music playing on your phone. You can actually browse Spotify, play music directly from the watch, download playlists for offline listening, and even use the watch's built in speaker without connecting Bluetooth earbuds. So let me show you exactly how it works. First, you need to install Spotify on your watch. On your Galaxy Watch, open the Google Play Store and search for Spotify. Find the official Spotify app and install it. Once the installation is complete, open Spotify on the watch. You'll be asked to sign in. Follow the instructions shown on the watch and your connected phone to complete the login. And that's it. Spotify is now ready to use directly from your wrist. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Spotify app on the Galaxy Watch isn't just a remote control for your phone. Open Spotify and you can browse through your recently played music, artists, albums, playlists, and more. You can also use the search option to find a specific song or artist. So instead of taking your phone out every time you want to change your music, you can do almost everything directly from the watch. But what if you don't have Bluetooth earbuds with you? This is one of the most useful features. The Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2 have a built-in speaker, and Spotify can use that speaker to play music. To do this, select the song you want to play. Then open the playback or audio device settings in Spotify. You'll see the available audio devices. Select your Galaxy Watch as the output device. Now the music will play directly through the speaker on your watch. Of course, don't expect the tiny speaker on a smartwatch to replace a proper Bluetooth speaker. But for casual listening, checking a song, or listening to something while you're working around the house, it can be useful. And there's another feature that makes Spotify on the Galaxy Watch even more useful. You can download music directly to the watch. This means you don't always need your phone or even an internet connection. For example, let's say you're going for a walk or heading to the gym. Open one of your Spotify playlists or albums and look for the option to download to watch. Select it and Spotify will download the music directly to your Galaxy Watch. I recommend doing this while you're connected to Wi-Fi, especially if you're downloading a large playlist or an entire album. Once the download is complete, the music is stored on your watch. And this is where the Galaxy Watch becomes much more useful. You can leave your phone at home, go for a walk, head out for a workout, or simply spend some time away from your phone, and you can still listen to your downloaded Spotify music from your watch. If you're using Bluetooth earbuds, you can connect them to the watch and listen privately. Or if you don't have earbuds, you can use the watch's built-in speaker. So your phone doesn't have to come with you everywhere. And when you're actually listening to music, you still get all the basic playback controls right on your wrist. You can play or pause the track, skip to the next song, go back to the previous track, and adjust the volume. You don't need to unlock your phone or open Spotify on it. Everything is right there on the watch. This can be especially useful during workouts. Imagine you're running and your phone is inside your bag, or you're at the gym and don't want to keep taking your phone out. With Spotify installed on your Galaxy Watch, you can control your music directly from your wrist. And because you can download playlists beforehand, you can also reduce your dependence on your phone while you're outside. There is one important thing to remember though. If you want to stream music without downloading it first, you'll need an internet connection. Depending on your watch and setup, that can come through a connected phone or the watch's own cellular or Wi-Fi connection. But downloaded music is different. Once your songs are downloaded to the watch, you can listen to them offline without carrying your phone around. So if you own a Galaxy Watch 9 or Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, Spotify is definitely worth trying. It's not just a phone remote sitting on your wrist. You can browse your music library, search for songs, play music directly from the watch, download playlists for offline listening, control playback, and even use the watch's built-in speaker. And that means your Galaxy Watch can become a much more independent music player. Set up your playlists before you leave, download them to the watch, connect your earbuds if you have them, and you can leave the phone behind. That's one of those small smartwatch features that can actually make a difference in everyday use.